Hi friends, so today we are meeting after a long time and today I am making green rice. So let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of rice, green chili paste, salt as per the taste, 3 teaspoon oil, garlic paste, pigeon pea and smashed coriander. I have preheated my pan and now I will pour the 3 teaspoon of oil. Then I will add this garlic paste. Saute this garlic paste with oil. Then we will add this pigeon pea. So now we will add this smashed coriander. Now we will add salt in it for the taste. Then we will add this turmeric. So now we will add this green chili paste. And now we will add the 3.5 cups of water. Now we will fast the gas and boil the water for 5 to 10 minutes. My water is boiled, so now I will add this rice. So now I will cover this for the 15 minutes. So now we will see our green rice after 15 minutes. So you can see that our green rice is ready. So my favorite green rice is ready. So let's taste it. It is so yummy. So do try it. Share my video, like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.